Did you expect now on the 20th Jubilee of GROB's Open House event to grow a $1 billion global organization?
No, we didn't expect. 20 years ago, we was a specialist for the automotive industry. We did have a turnover from 250 up to 300 million euros per year. Now we are at the sales, annual sales by 1.6 billion per year. We did come from the automotive industry and we developed new machining centers with a new dedicated kinematics, which is a 5-axis kinematics. These machines are 5-axis machining centers where we can supply to the die and mold industry, to medical industry, aerospace, and these are machines for a complete machining of difficult parts for different industries. Innovation is the main driver of GROB. With innovations we can follow up the trends and the developments of our customers, which are worldwide very important for us.
Christian, what are the hardest challenges that you faced here at GROB over recent years?
That's an interesting question. Basically, what we can say in the last 5 years, we have turned the company GROB upside down. If we imagine the company GROB 5 years ago, we were the automotive supplier for assembly and machining lines in the combustion engine world. And with the transformation of the market, we basically had to find a new business model. In the past, also in the universal business, it was a very small part of what we did. And basically in the last years, we said, okay, what should we do now? And we basically tried to find a new business model. And from the automotive industry, the trend for sure is the electromobility. So we basically created a lot of interesting new lines to assemble the e-motor and the battery systems. And what you can see on the back here are parts on an e-vehicle, where we also are now manufacturing. So back from the ICE time into the e-market, we are basically manufacturing every piece of element that you can find on a battery car, the housings, shock towers, torque boxes, subframes. In the universal market, in the past we delivered only a few machines. We had to grow into that space too. The market is much more demanding in the last time. In the past we delivered basically just machines. Today we have to deliver solutions. And for the solutions, we basically, for the medical industry, the aerospace industry, mold and die, even the tier 1 market, they like to get solutions. Solutions for GROB means we try to understand what the customer needs and we deliver the solution. And solution is driven by automation and technical knowledge. So also here we created our Center of Excellences to support the customers with a lot of knowledge. And at the end of the day, today we sell an automation with a piece of CNC machine. What happens is basically the old business from GROB 5 years ago is gone. Today we have a company which in the e-mobility space has a new portfolio of products, and in the universal machine has definitely a new mindset, delivering solutions with automation and the CNC machine basically as a product.
So how did GROB develop worldwide to optimize their forces?
So in the past we had basically to sell only to a couple of customers, CNC machines, that's it. So sales was pretty easy. You go to your 20, 30 customers, collect the orders, done. Today with the new strategy, the new market, and developing basically new products, we have also to chase new customers. So what we have in our sales department, we have a strategic department which takes care of analyzing the market, developing opportunities, creating a business model, and then chasing it. To chase it, we have to hire people, we have to train them, and we have to send them across the globe into the different areas. And we have done that basically over the last 5 years in the OEM, in mobility, universal, and whatever we're doing. And we continue to grow into that space. From a customer perspective, we can say that we have generated thousands of leads to grow into that space. And we have today, as GROB, thousands of new customers over the last 5 years. And with those customers, we are developing now long-term relationships, and we continue to grow. I would say we are 90% through the transformation, but we continue to understand the market demands and to understand what the customer needs from us. And we continue day by day to adjust our business model to the market demand.
What does the future hold for GROB?
I think the challenge for the future and what we want to do next is basically fine-tuning. We need to continue to chase every day what the market needs from us. We should not stop thinking that we are at the end. and with understanding from every single customer, their brand, their product, what they want to do next. We want to take that challenge. We need to see if what we do is good enough. We need to go through our strategic analysis, understanding the market, the competitors, and see what we can develop. GROB has a DNA of developing everything in-house. CNC machines, assembly, automation. So we have the strengths. We spend every year more than 60 million euros in R&D in this company, here in Mindline. So we as GROB, as a sales department, we have the chance to develop and develop very fast. So we just have to keep an eye in the market. We have to keep an eye on what the market will need, understand, place the right message into the R&D department, develop, and continue to grow.